are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, 8-way power driver seat, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.